Today's tech tip is to show staff what our CSD 117 bookmarks look like for students. All students in our district have CSD 117 bookmarks. Staff can view these bookmarks at our Camas School District website under Learning Resources. But the student bookmarks show up in the top left corner of their browser on their Chromebooks. So here's an example of an elementary student's view. So when an elementary student logs in, they end up with all of the elementary websites linked, and they can go choose their own school. In the top left corner are their bookmarks, and if they go down to the digital media passwords, they get a page. This would be one for Prune Hill Elementary, that it's going to give them the formulas for passwords and links to access those. Now this would be a middle schooler's view. I'm logged in as a Skyridge Middle School student. In the top left corner, you see the CSD 117 bookmarks that are forced out. All students have this. And if I click on that, it's going to let me choose either the Skyridge homepage or digital media passwords. So if I go down to these digital media passwords, it's going to have the formulas for all of our subscription services that we see. Now I'm logged in as a CHS papermaker, and again I have the bookmarks that are passed out to me as a student in Camas School District. And if I click on that, it's going to let me go down to the Camas High webpage and then again digital media passwords. And then these would be the ones that are specific to Camas High School. Now, as teachers, we won't see a forced folder up here that says csd117.org bookmarks, but we can get to a document that'll show us those digital media passwords from the staff corner. And Learning Resources. This would be great if we wanted to show it up on the projector while students are accessing it on their Chromebooks. And then I go down here to Digital Media Resources and Passwords. Now this page is accessible to anyone, but if you want to click on and get access to the passwords, you do have to be logged into your Google account because those passwords are protected. So if I was going in here as a Hayes Freedom Renegade, if I click on it, there it is. There it is. I click on that and I go to my Google document. I am logged in. And so now I have access to those formulas for the library catalogs, Smart Montage, World Book, and all of our subscription database resources. So as a teacher, I would probably want to bookmark this page or just the digital media resources pages. So now you know what your students have access to and how to find them yourselves. Have a great Tuesday.